EPDM rubber roof replacement in Boston, Massachusetts. Hey guys, my name is Nate with the Can Roof Construction. Here in this roof, like a couple months ago, I did the roof inspection and it was leaking pretty much everywhere and all the insulation board was soaked wet. And right now we're doing a replacement. We already removed, it was a 2-layer, and we installed the half-inch iso boards with the screw and plates you guys can see. Then we're gonna install the EPDM rubber membrane, all the flashings, and we're gonna install the pipe boots, and we will see how it's gonna come out. If you guys have any issue with the flat roofing system, reach out to us so we can schedule the inspection and take care of you.